How to set up proxy server settings in Google Chrome. So if you want to set up the proxy server settings in your Google Chrome, then first what you can do is just simply go with your settings also. So go with your Windows, right click and then open up your settings. Under settings here on the left side, you will have find a setting. You just need simply go and search for proxy and go with the proxy settings. And here you will have the proxy settings. You can simply go with use a proxy server and then you can go with setup, which is on the right side, and then you can add the proxy IP address, the port, and the proxy server except for the addresses that start with the following entries. And you need to use semicolons to prepare entries. So in this way, you can add your proxy server or set up your proxy server. But before that, you need to have the IP address, right? So you can go with your browser and you can search for the IP addresses. You just need simply search for proxy lists and you will have the list of the proxy servers within all of the countries. So you can just simply go with your IP address. Once you've selected your IP address, you can just go with the top right, which has three dots, and then go with settings. Now under settings also, you can simply search for proxy right here. And here you will have open your computer's proxy settings, which will take you to the same kind of interface, which I've just shown you, which is right here. And then you just need to simply go with setup and then add the IP address and go with save. That's how you can set up your proxy server settings in your browser. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.